Good afternoon everyone, hope you're all keeping safe and well. Well, we're playing about today. Just had an idea, it may or may not work, it doesn't matter. But I thought, I just saw a video of someone making a wind chime out of stuff, and I thought, that's an idea. And I thought, well, I wonder if I can make one for indoors, by my back door. And then if we can get enough draft it might jingle a bit. If we can't, I can always put a bit of string or something on, can't I? So what I've got, I've been looking around for a few days actually. I thought I need something to fasten it to the ceiling. Of course I've got these clock faces. I thought, that might do. So if I screw that to the ceiling, that way up, right, that might look alright. And I found several of these hooks, so I can use those. But also, I've got this copper chain I made a long while ago. Right, I thought, well, I might as well use that if I can. The only thing is, I've got a bit of copper tubing, you see, and I checked it out and I thought, well, it doesn't have to ring, does it, we'll try it and see. Well, to find where to hang it and for it to resonate, also, by the way, I've got that was left over from my wood turning. So I thought, well, if I use that as a striker bit, that might work. So I just tried it on a piece of pipe, and I've cut these up. Now, I've got 5, apparently you need 5, and I've started with a foot long and I've got them 1.25 inches less, so there's got to be 5, but you can hear that. And how you find where it does, if you hold it up there, you see, it doesn't do out. So you just slide your finger down a bit, and you can easily find where you need to be. There. So all I have to do is to drill a small hole there and bit of wire or something through. Now I'm hoping to use this, but I've got a piece here and I'm not sure if it will touch the sides and stop it. But I'm going to try it first. So all I've got to do now is find a bit of electrical wire for a bit of copper, and I'll drill a small hole in there and put it through with a bit of that chain on and hang it from there like that, and we'll see, because I've got high ceilings in this house, you see. I think the most difficult thing of all things is going to be screwing this to the ceiling. Well, it should be pretty easy. I mean, if I do anything these days, it's got to be easy, trust me. I mean, back's aching, I've had to stop 3 times already, 3 or 4 times. Anyway, we're going to give it a go and see. So what I've got to do now is to mark that in the middle, which is fairly easy to do because I've got a ring on there now. So I just put that in the middle there, you see, like that. I don't know if you can't see it. Hang on, me doing normal. There you are. You may or may not be able to see it. Right, anyway, put that in the middle and just mark round on the back side. It's near enough job, isn't it? And then get me a bit of pipe that size, and it wants to be just on the outside of it, if you can just see that, like there, with a little bit of gap, and just mark my holes around there and screw those in. It shouldn't be too difficult to do. As I say, if it works, it works. If not, well, it's a bit of decoration, isn't it? And it's using up something. So that's what we're on with. Yeah, so if it works, it may not work, I might not even get it done, I don't know. But if it does work and I can get it done, I'll show you it at the end. And we'll just see, you know, at the very least, it's given me something to do for an afternoon and have a bit of fun. And at the best, it might work. I'm sure you'll find out soon. Well, I've got this done, more or less. Right, got all the copper pipes hung up about the right length. I've used that chain I made out of copper wire on a video. Well, if I can find it, it's very tedious, if I can find it I'll put a link in for you, but maybe not. But anyway, it's not that bad actually. It probably wants a tiny bit of adjustment, but we're not dead flat on here, you see. But look, works. Works. So yeah, I'm pleased with it, I suppose. Made out of junk, of course, as usual, scrap. And to make it work, as I say, I hope there'll be enough draft so I can put, you know, like a thing that flaps it about when you open the door, you see, like that. Or I can tie a bit of string to the door so it just moves it a little bit. But yeah, that actually works better than I thought it would, so well, I've got to be relatively pleased with that, haven't I? Let's be honest. Right, that's the project for today. Almost done. I've got to screw it up in the ceiling outside the back, inside the back door I should say. But bit of a novelty, isn't it? Right, we'll see what we can find for you soon.